here, both of you look here, please.
Okay, sir. Thanks, sir. Triple जी सामने देखिए. हाँ, towards the right. Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Sir. हाँ, अभी आइए. Sir नहीं है.
Okay, sir, yeah, right, sir.
This wouldn't have been possible. So many magazines, so many memories, so many stars that he has created. I'm sure he's here with us in spirit, watching from that up above in the heaven, thinking that his legacy is actually doing fantastic. And of course, we have Ashok sir, who's taking his legacy forward in a very beautiful way. And I must say, it is a commendable job. Behind the inspiring individuals who dare to do things in a very different way. Well, it's all about the spirit. Well, when you mentioned about businessmen, sportsmen, chefs, influencers, there's so many things. You want to know more about it? Come to the Society Achiever magazine. You will get to know everything. Well, we are very excited to actually unveil the cover of this magazine today because we have so many very special on it. So, ladies and gentlemen, before I do the unveiling and do the honors, I request the man behind this cause, the man who has actually done it all, without whom this event wouldn't have been possible. He is the man who's carrying the legacy of Nari Hira sir in such a beautiful way. He's got his experience together, he's got his entire acumen together to put this magnet into a magnetic way. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome, come on, a little applause for him. This is Ashok Dhamankar from Magnet Publishing, because I'm so used to saying Magna Publishing. This is Magnet Publishing. Well, Ashok, thank you so much for bringing this to us. And I must say, you're doing a commendable job. Well, along with him, I also now request the editor, Andrea Costubir, to join us. The talented, the supremely talented Andrea with us today. Well, now let's go forward. Should we actually do this now? Should we call the one who is actually most wanted here? Okay, let's go forward. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the time that we all have been waiting for. Let me invite and call upon someone who's an inspiration, successful in his own way, and of course has been admired by the entire fraternity and of course around the globe. Ladies and gentlemen, he is the actor, producer, director, Mr. Rakesh Roshan here. Can I have a huge round of applause for him? When I say about inspiration, he is the one. When I say about the legacy, he is the one. He is a legacy in himself, and of course comes from the legacy of the Bollywood here. Thank you so much, sir, for being here. Your attendance, your presence here is just making this entire evening so entertaining, so shimmering. Thank you so much. Should we actually felicitate, sir, and then can you move? Okay, first, okay. All right, sir, can you do the honors? The magazine is right behind you, and should we call somebody else? Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this is the time that we've been waiting for. And here we go. This is the Society Achiever magazine, the latest issue of April 2025, where we have the Roshans actually making the cover completely Roshanable. Well, how does the magazine look to you, sir, if you can come here and talk to us for a few minutes? How does the cover look to you?
Good evening, everybody, and sorry for being on time.
I think, I was just mentioning that what an inspiring thing, and I must say you were on time to the dot.
One thing I do is I'm very, very punctual. So I'm sorry for being on time. I would like to thank Ashok, Andrea, for giving me the privilege to honor to unveil your prestigious magazine's cover, Society, with the Roshans on the cover. Thank you so much. And I'm missing the presence of our friend Nari Hira. But wherever he is, I know that he will be blessing us for this occasion. And thank you once again. Thank you.
Well, sir, you cannot we just want to talk to him. Should we finish talking to him first? Because since he already has the mic, let's just do that first. Sir, you are already on the cover. You're shimmering, you're glittering, and of course you have the entire family on the cover. We have Hrithik Roshan, Rajesh sir on the cover. How does it feel? Like, what is your instant moment when you saw the magazine cover?
Well, it feels good because the work what we have done in so many years has been recognized and is being recognized, so we are happy about it.
Very nice, sir. So your new Netflix series, which is actually The Roshans, is out. Any insights, any kind of trivia that we can get, what exactly happened, anything that you would like to share about it?
And I think you all must see the Roshans on
I
Netflix.
have. Twice I've seen it. All the 4 episodes.
You will know everything about, little more about our journey. And it was, though very tough to make a documentary, because I thought when I made 18, 19 films, documentary will be a very easy thing to make, but it was the toughest for me to make.
So you never mentioned in your series as who's your favorite actor?
Pardon me?
You never mentioned in your series as who is your favorite actor to work with?
My favorite actor. All my actors are favorite.
Oh, it's so diplomatic, sir. But anyways, one,
Rakesh Roshan.
Well, do we see Rakesh Roshan in some new, in a new avatar or new facet in the upcoming? Anything new, exciting coming up, sir, that we should know of?
Yeah, I'm keeping my fingers crossed. Waiting for some producers to call me and take me in this project.
So, is it going to be a take 2 Roshan?
Pardon me?
Take 2 Rakesh Roshan?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, sir, is there any message that you would like to give our readers? There are a lot of media which is right here. Any message for them?
Please watch, please read the article and let me know the feedback. Thank you.
Well, you've also mentioned about a lot of ups and downs in your career, hiccups and everything.
I think you should see the documentary. I've spoken a lot in that.
Okay, great. So, great, that's it. Thank you so much, sir. We would like to felicitate you. We'd like to honor you for coming all the way here and gracing our cover. Thank you so very much. It's a beautiful moment and a beautiful presence with you. So, Ashok, sir, if you can do the honors for us, would be fantastic. Would you like to say a few things, Ashok? Ashok, sir, if you'd like to say a few things.
Good evening, friends. It is a completely honor to have Rakesh over here. We've been talking to Rakesh from many months, and always Rakesh used to say he's waited for some time, and we are going to definitely do this cover. And today it is a completely honor for us to have a Rakesh, not only Rakesh, but Roshan's on the cover. Okay, it's a great moment for us, and we are very thankful to Rakesh.
Andrea, would you want to add something in it?
I interviewed Mr. Roshan and it was honestly a pleasure. He's spoken really well, and everyone please do read the magazine because it's a wonderful interview. It's in there, and he's gone way below the surface, and he's such an inspiration, sir. You're really an inspiration. Thank you for giving me such a lovely interview.
Thank you, Andrea. And
Thank you, Andrea. Thank you.
Okay, so we would like to honor them with a lot of love, a token of love from us, from the Society Achievers magazine. This is with a lot of love. And of course, Nari sir, who's watching us from above. Thank you for being here. Can I have some amount of clapping for him, please? The legend is already here. When I say the man with the legacy, he is the legacy. And of course, he comes from the legacy in the Bollywood family. Beautiful token of love, sir. This is how it looks like on the cover. I hope this is going to be on the desk with you. Thank you so much. Thank you. This is Dr. Sheetal Gagrani on stage. I'd like to call her on stage. Well, she's pretty Petty, then of course, and she's a powerhouse. She's the one who has a strong mind and a willpower to say it all. She's a doctor, and of course, she's influencing a lot of life and the lifestyles here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Dr. Sheetal Gagrani. Thank you for being here. You have spoken high about yourself and about your life journey in the magazine. We are eager to read it. This is Dr. Sheetal Gagrani. And a memento to actually take with yourself, a picture to remember all your life. Well, would you like to speak few words for us? There's a lot of people who would want to hear from you.
She has already told about me. I'm Dr. Mrs. Sheetal Gagrani, and I also happen to be your principal functioner's wife. A very quiet, understated guy. But this time around, I have to come out and speak because I have two missions. One is menopausal health, because I work in UK and I see that HRT and menopausal health is very frankly spoken about, and so much so that every place has a menopausal clinic, every workplace, whereas I feel that that part of women's health is entirely neglected upon here. And secondly, I have started a helpline for online abuse and sextortion. So these are the two things that I really feel passionately about, and I thought this is the kind of topic come out of the cover and talk about it. And I'm really, really grateful that my first ever public acknowledgement is in the magazine, that the cover is being graced by the Roshan and of course Hrithik Roshan, who is not coming.
We all are fan of Hrithik Roshan, I'm sure that.
Whose heart does it you see Hrithik Roshan?
Yeah, yeah.
Just to have the name there when Hrithik Roshan is on the cover. It's like, the lady can't say any more.
When you know where the features and where the characteristic and where the entire thing comes from, right? The DNA comes from. The father is handsome. Well, thank you so much, Sheetal. It was really nice. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. And thank you, Andrea, for writing so beautifully. The heartfelt things.
Thank you. Claudia, there's a little token of appreciation from Society Achievers magazine. Thank you, and you have also spoken a lot from your heart, from your spirit about yourself, your journey. We are really eager to know more about it. So after this, we would like to talk to you. Thank you for your presence, and yes, a beautiful memento to take home. Thank you, Claudia. So can you speak a little about your transition from being a model, actor, then now you are inspiring, you're about your fitness, eating, nutrition, in the entire view. A little about yourself, please.
Yeah, first of all, hello everyone. Thank you so much Ashok ji and Society Achievers magazine for giving me the opportunity. And there is no better way than being in the same magazine as Rakesh Roshan ji, whom I know for so many years in the same industry. So it's a pleasure. And yeah, I also have a mission. Claudia's concept, my company and I, we want healthy India. And a cause close to our heart is, we aim to at least transform 1 lakh people's life in the next few years. Whereas not only we are going to help them lose weight, but also, reverse diabetes, cure fatty liver, because 80% of the most dangerous chronic diseases which we are having can be very much avoided by just eating healthy food and changing a little bit of the lifestyle. So this is my mission to make healthy India, and thank you so much for being a part of it and helping me to spread the news. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Claudia. Very beautifully said. Thank you again. Well, when you talk about health, when you talk about inspiration,
I think, Dr. Narai, it's how you think. positive, you will walk positive.
Correct, correct.
So I'm always positive. I never see the negative.
So are you also be positive?
Pardon?
Are you also be positive?
Positive, yeah.
In a true way. Thank you, sir. But you're truly an inspiration in a lot of ways, and whatever I've heard of you, very inspiring, very touching. Well, now it's time for some photo opportunity, and for which I would now like to call upon Sunil Kavnekar, Shivendra Parihar, Preeta Nair, Amber Dias, and Mario Fernandez to please come up and please come here, join us at the podium here. This is Mario Ferreira, so sorry. Apologies. Let's have a good picture, guys. This is the entire Magnet team who has made this possible. This is the force behind the magazine, the legacy that we talk about from the Nari Sir's exhibition time that we know of. They are the knowledge of Nari Sir. They are the legacy that we have in a true way. And I'm sure wherever Nari Sir is, he's actually blessing all of them. Thank you so much, thank you. Now it's time to call Neeti Goyal and Gaurav Parekh if they are here. Not there? Okay. Dr. Shivram Bhandari, Bollywood's most famous hairstylist and founder of Shiva Stylo. Is he here? Oh, yes, how can we forget? Is Yogesh Lakhani here? Hello, sir. No event is going to be complete. आपके बगैर कैसे complete हो सकता है? Well, he has a nice token. Is that book written by you, Shiva? Is it true? That's better. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, I don't need to introduce this man. The man is all over. If you want to be famous, ladies and gentlemen, meet Yogesh Lakhani. Well, the man with an acumen of publicity, with the acumen of business. This is Yogesh Lakhani. ये जरूर छपेगा. Correct. Oh, very nice. Thank you, Yogesh sir. Thank you. I also now like to call Delhi. Well, thank you so much. This is the Delhi team forcing the force behind Society Achievers magazine. Well, helping us in distribution and sales, of course, in the highest and the spirited way that they can. Thank you. Thank you so much. And there you go. Thank you so much for being the force, and thank you for being here. It just made it very special for us. Well, I also now request the one who, because of whom the entire publicity and the entire media has been capturing us in such a beautiful way. Well, she's got the spirit that is required to be the tigress, ladies and gentlemen. I am super fond of her. I love her in every way, ladies and gentlemen. She is the one who is a PR specialist and image consultant. But I may say that she's a tiger. She's a spirited tiger in her own way. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome Anusha Srinivasan Iyer. I also request Vedant to please join her, the son, the force behind Narad Strategies. Come over, Vedant. Well, you want to become famous, you want to learn about image, you want to learn about PR, you want to know anything. Well, she is the solution to everything. An acumen of somebody who knows the entire media industry to such a finest way. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Anusha Srinivasan.
I think now it's a time that I really want to, we would like to do the proper cover unveiling since the magazine is here. Sheetal, can you come over? Also, Claudia and the magnet. It is a real great moment for us that first having Rakesh, not only Rakesh, but Rakesh Roshan's on the cover of Society Achiever. I think this issue will be a completely sellout. And I wanted to tell you that today, from this issue onwards, till yesterday, I mean last month, we were actually we were on a digital, we were on subscription base, we were on the social media. Now, from this issue onwards, we will be also adding, and the magazine will be available across India, all the airports, and few stations like Mumbai and Delhi newsstands too. So it is a real great moment for Society Achievers and for all of us at Magnet. Okay. Apart from the Roshans, we also have a super features. One of them is like Sheetal, her stories. It's a very well written by my colleague Andrea, and I think I want everybody to read her story. It's a very interesting. Over to Sheetal.
मैम आज आपको भी अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया गया है, क्या कहेंगे?
जैसे मैंने बोला कि बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, स्पेशली जिस मैगजीन में ऋतिक कवर पे हो और उसके साथ आपका नाम है, तो यू कांट इमेजिन फॉर इट। या और जो जिन कॉजेज के मैं वो कॉजेज में लिखकर आए हैं, लोग उसको पढ़ेंगे, उसके बारे में जानेंगे, तो जिससे मेरे कॉज को और सोसाइटी को हेल्प हो।
मैम कौन से लोगों को इस मैगजीन में चांस मिलता है कि वो आकर यहाँ पे अपनी स्टोरी बताएं या उनके बारे में लिखा जाए, जो लोगों को एक अलग मैसेज देने का काम करता है इस मैगजीन के द्वारा?
So we only feature legends and achievers in Society magazine. Okay, in Society Achievers magazine, and amazing people like Dr. Sheetal Gagrani, who's doing so much for to combat cyberbullying. She has her own NGO called Brush of Hope, which is what we have written about. Apart from her other achievements, then Mr. Roshan, of course. Then we have Claudia, who's with us today, and she has transformed herself from an actress to being, one of the nutritionists, right in the forefront. So we have some very, very interesting stories. There's an interview with so many amazing people, very honestly. There's also a lovely story on Dr. Jaishankar, who's our External Affairs Minister. We have a lovely interview with Tarun Tahiliani, who's one of the biggest names in Indian fashion. So there's really lots to read in society.
सर किस तरीके से ढूंढ कर लाते हैं सर किस तरीके से सबको ढूंढ कर लाते हैं आप इस मैगजीन के लिए?
It's a very hard job for us. हमको तो काफ़ी रिसर्च करना पड़ता है। रिसर्च करने के बाद हम लोग उसको डिस्कशन इंटरनली कि किसको डालना चाहिए, कहाँ पर कौन से मंथ में डालना चाहिए, उससे हमारी मैगजीन की रीडरशिप बढ़ेगी। और we keep doing job month after month, and we are seeing the results.
एक चीज़ मैं बता सकती हूँ कि बहुत ऑनेस्ट इंटरव्यू होता है। सो मैं तो अपने इंटरव्यू के बारे में बोल सकती हूँ। तो जब मैंने पढ़ा तो लाइक एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई एक्चुअली फेल्ट, तो जो मुझे अंदर से लग रहा था उसको वेरी ऑनेस्टली एंड्रे हैव पुट इट। सो या दे डू अ फैक्ट जॉब।
मतलब फैक्ट दिखाने का
तो बड़ा ऑर्गेनिकली ढूंढ के निकाला इन्होंने। जैसे मैंने बोला कि पिछले कई सालों से तो मैं यूके और इसके टीम में रहती थी और मैं ज़्यादा पब्लिक में नहीं आती, तो मैं पीछे से काम करती हूँ। तो मुझे बहुत ऑर्गेनिकली इन्होंने ढूंढ के निकाला। ऐसा नहीं था कि अप्रोच किया और ऐसे करके, इनको ऑर्गेनिकली मेरे बारे में पता चला तो इनका मुझे फ़ोन आया कि हम आपसे मिल के पहली बार बात करते हैं। फिर बात करने के बाद उन्होंने मुझसे बोला कि हम आपकी स्टोरी लिख सकते हैं क्या? तो मैंने पूछा मैं घर में पूछ के बताऊँगी आपको, आप लिख सकते हैं या नहीं। फिर उसके बाद इन्होंने 2 इंटरव्यू किए, मुझे लिख के भेजा, तो मैंने देखा कि वो जो बिल्कुल ट्रुथ मैंने उनको पहले भी बोला था कि जो भी मेरा इंटरव्यू होगा इट हैज टू बी कंप्लीटली ऑनेस्ट एंड या सो दे रियली वर्क बिहाइंड ईच एंड एवरी इज व्हाट आई कैन से आई कैन वाउच
मैम सेटिस्फाई हुए आप मतलब ये स्टोरी को देखकर इस मैगजीन में?
या
अच्छा सर नेक्स्ट पेज क्या होगा नेक्स्ट?
Next, I think you'll have to wait for it, you know, like
Yeah, just
yeah,
wait.
next month, you know. Thank you so much, Sheetal. Really. Would you like to give us some message to our readers?
message is like, you know, that I always say that we're not going to walk on this earth ever again. हमारा टाइम लिमिटेड होता है एंड एज आप अगले हफ्ते की बात कर रहे हैं तो रोज में जिए और हेल्थ का ध्यान रखिए बिकॉज हेल्थ जब तक है तब तक सब रहता है आई ऑलवेज से दैट हेल्थ स्पैन की तरफ ध्यान दीजिए हेल्दी रहिए खुश रहिए पॉजिटिव रहिए
थैंक यू।
ये रुक एक फोटो तो लेने दे फोटो या मैम लुक हियर मत देखो सर पीछे रुक सर या मैम बस सर अभी सर आ तो यहाँ देखिए फोटो 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 थैंक यू चलो
You want to ask a question? Oh, one second. I'm just coming.
I'm extremely grateful to the society, Rivers of Life, not only to lose weight, but also, cure the diseases, reverse diabetes, reverse liver disease, which is nowadays growing, and we can definitely, prevent that. So thank you so much for the lovely interview. It was so insightful, and I was like extremely happy to answer all those wonderful questions. So please read the magazine. And of course, I would like to thank my boyfriend Arjun Goy, who is with me today, and he's always there as a rock, supporting me in everything I do. So thank you so much. That's our achievement as well. How sweet. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
जो बहुत टाइम से अपना मार्क छोड़ा है इंडस्ट्री में, इनके अवार्ड्स मैंने कई बार ज्वाइन किया है एंड मतलब ये स्टार स्टार्टेड अवार्ड्स आप कहाँ होंगे अच्छी गिने चुके हो इसमें से सोसाइटी अवार्ड्स वन ऑफ दी इम्पॉर्टेंट अवार्ड्स उसमें शाहरुख सर नहीं है, वो संदीप सिंह सर का प्रोडक्शन है, लेजेंड स्टूडियोज का है एंड उसमें मैंने भी मिलिट्री ऑफिसर का रोल किया हुआ है एंड उसमें शाहरुख सर इन्वॉल्व नहीं है तो एंड इट्स अ वेरी गुड प्रोजेक्ट और आप लोग देखो फिर हमें बताओ कैसा लगा आपको।
मुझे विक्की जी कह रहे हैं कि मूवी जो इस एक किरदार में नजर आने वाले 42 में कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप उसके बारे में?
हाँ पर वही है कि nobody can replace शाहरुख सर, so there is a statement जो उन्होंने पास किया था, replaces शाहरुख सर, so I don't think so कि anyone can replace it. Godfather है. Thank you so much.
And any of your upcoming projects you'd like to tell me?
I'll let you know soon.
आज रिश्ता है मैग्नेटिक पब्लिशिंग के साथ में आज मतलब it's such a nice thing to see that they have survived, they have redone themselves, outdone themselves, and today in a true way मैं कह सकती हूँ उनका नाम वाकई रोशन हो रहा है and congratulations to Society Achievers Magazine and congratulations to the entire team who's doing such a fantastic job. It's not easy. I miss Nari Hira sir. I'm sure he's there somewhere in the spirit to watch us. But yes, it's a beautiful place to be in. I actually feel like I'm back home. Magnet Publishing is actually home for me. So I wish them all the very best.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Good to see you, sir.
Ready?
Society Achiever Awards.
योगेश सर क्या कहना चाहेंगे सोसाइटी अचीवर अवार्ड में राकेश रोशन जी भी आए थे, काफ़ी तारीफ हुई इस मैगजीन को लेकर, आप कब से जुड़े हैं और क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
तो वो तो 1984 से सोसाइटी मेघना पब्लिशिंग के स्टार्टअप के हर इवेंट, हर अवार्ड और हर बॉडी का हिस्सा हूँ और राकेश जी की भी पहली फिल्म और ऋतिक सर की पहली फिल्म से राइट 45 भाई उससे जुड़ा है। मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि राकेश जी का कवर पेज का जो चर्चा है, जो अच्छा है, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल, मस्त है और बेटर दिया। इसका होर्डिंग्स भी मैं लगा रहा हूँ। तो ब्राइट ने 2 लाख मूवी, 1 लाख इवेंट और 1 लाख इवेंट का काम किया है। उसके लिए मैं भगवान का, फैमिली का, मेरे फ्रेंड्स का, मेरी टीम का और मीडिया का थैंक यू बोलता हूँ कि इतना बड़ा